Welcome to Best Picks Lab. The best wood saw hand is probably one of the most essential tools for any DIY enthusiast or professional carpenter, offering precision and power for a wide range of cutting tasks. Whether you're tackling intricate woodworking projects, framing a new structure, or simply need to make quick, clean cuts around the house, having a reliable hand saw can make all the difference in achieving professional-looking results with less effort. This video will guide you through selecting the perfect hand saw that aligns with your specific needs and budget, ensuring you invest in a tool that will serve you faithfully for years to come. Number 5. Seesii Mini Chainsaw 6-inch Cordless. Experience effortless cutting with its powerful motor and precision chain. It slices through wood up to 15 centimeters thick in just 7 seconds, smoothly and efficiently. This tool offers 30% higher efficiency and double the lifespan compared to traditional motors. Weighing only 2.7 pounds, it's significantly lighter than traditional chainsaws, making it perfect for anyone, including women and the elderly. Its ergonomic design ensures a comfortable grip and an excellent user experience. Equipped with 2 powerful batteries, you can enjoy up to 100 minutes of continuous operation. This means you can cut over 100 pieces of wood without interruption, perfect for extended use in a garden or field. Operate with confidence thanks to the double safety lock that prevents accidental activation and a chain guard that keeps debris contained. Its low recoil design enhances stability for safe and quiet operation. Get started right away. This complete set includes everything you need, like extra batteries, chains, gloves, and safety goggles. No assembly is required for the bar and chain, so you can begin cutting as soon as you open the box. Surprise the man in your life with a gift he'll truly appreciate. It's an ideal present for Father's Day, Christmas, or any special occasion. Plus, enjoy peace of mind with our 2-year after-sales service. What we like. This mini chainsaw boasts a powerful motor for effortless cutting and a lightweight design for comfortable one-handed use. If you're looking for a tool that's easy to handle, even for extended periods, and comes with ample battery life for uninterrupted work, this is an excellent choice for garden tasks and light wood cutting. What people say. The wood saw hand is very sharp and cuts through wood easily. It has a comfortable grip that makes it easy to use for extended periods. The blade is made of high-quality steel and is very durable. Number 4. Corona RS7265D RazorTOOTH Folding Pruning Saw. Introducing the Corona RS7265D RazorTOOTH Folding Pruning Saw. It's designed for efficient and comfortable pruning. Its 10-inch blade features 3-sided razor teeth, perfect for cutting branches 5 to 6 inches in diameter. Experience faster, smoother cuts. The ergonomically designed handle offers a comfortable, co-molded grip, ensuring ease of use even during extended pruning tasks. For safety when not in use, it features an easy latch folding blade. The curved, taper-ground blade is also replaceable. With impulse-hardened teeth, this tool is built for a long service life. Enjoy reliable performance season after season. Boasting up to 6 teeth per inch and a curved blade design, it cuts quicker and smoother than traditional saws. What we like. Featuring sharp, impulse-hardened teeth and a curved blade, this folding saw offers efficient and quick cuts on branches. If you need a reliable and portable saw for pruning medium-sized branches in your garden or for on-the-go use, its comfortable grip and safety latch make it a practical option. What people say. The saw has a comfortable grip for extended use. It cuts through wood cleanly and efficiently. The blade is sharp and durable, holding its edge well. Number 3. REXBETI Folding Saw. Introducing the REXBETI Folding Saw, designed for exceptional cutting power. Its robust SK5 steel blade with aggressive teeth makes quick work of branches up to 6 to 7 inches. Experience optimized sharpness and sawing performance. The staggered tooth geometry ensures smooth, efficient cuts through green wood and branches, reducing resistance. Take it anywhere with its lightweight, folding design. It easily fits into your backpack, making it perfect for camping, survival, and everyday outdoor tasks. This saw features a reinforced blade structure for enhanced stability and long-term use. It's built to withstand heavy cutting tasks without compromising performance. Enjoy a secure and comfortable grip with its ergonomic, rubber-coated handle. It provides excellent control in any condition, reducing hand fatigue during extended use. Whether for camping, survival, or yard work, this saw is your reliable tool. It offers a blend of power, portability, and comfort for all your cutting needs. What we like. This heavy-duty folding saw is built with aggressive SK5 steel teeth for powerful cutting of branches up to 6 to 7 inches. If you're an outdoor enthusiast, camper, or survivalist who needs a robust yet portable saw for tough wood cutting tasks, its ergonomic handle and reinforced blade ensure control and durability. What people say. The saw has a comfortable grip for extended use. It cuts through wood cleanly and efficiently. The blade is sharp and durable, holding up well over time. Number 2. RUITOOL 6-inch double-edged Japanese hand saw. Discover the ideal tool for your woodworking projects. This saw is perfectly sized for precise cutting, making flush and finish cuts simple. Crafted from durable SK5 high-carbon steel, its blade is hardened for exceptional performance. Experience a saw that's built for longevity and precision. Easily switch between cutting hardwood and softwood with its double-edged blade. One side offers fine teeth for hardwoods, while the other provides coarser teeth for softwoods. Featuring advanced 3-sided grinding teeth, this saw cuts sharper and removes chips more efficiently. Enjoy a smoother cutting experience every time. Looking for an ideal gift for a woodworker, carpenter, or craft enthusiast? This hand saw is a thoughtful and practical choice. Your satisfaction is our priority. If you encounter any issues, our efficient after-sales service is ready to assist you within 24 hours. What we like. This Japanese pull saw features a flexible SK5 steel blade with double edges for both hardwood and softwood cutting, plus hardened 3-edge teeth for fast, smooth cuts. If you're a woodworker or carpenter who values precision and efficiency in detailed joinery and flush cuts, this tool offers excellent performance and chip removal. What people say. The wood saw hand is designed with an ergonomic handle for a comfortable grip during extended use. Its sharp, high-carbon steel blade ensures efficient and clean cuts through various types of wood. The saw features a safety lock mechanism that prevents accidental blade deployment, enhancing user safety. Number 1. GARTOL 2-piece Japanese pull saw set. Introducing a versatile 2-piece Japanese hand saw set, perfect for all your woodworking needs. These saws are designed for precision and smooth cuts on both hard and soft woods. Crafted with flexible SK5 steel blades, these saws are built for durability and long-lasting sharpness. They ensure clean cuts every time, making them a reliable addition to your toolkit. Experience comfort and control with the ergonomic wooden handles. Their anti-slip grip reduces fatigue, allowing for extended use whether you're a DIY enthusiast or a professional. From trimming in tight spaces with the flush cut saw to making precise rip and cross cuts with the Ryoba saw, these tools handle a variety of woodworking tasks with ease. These saws are compact and lightweight, making them easy to carry and store in your toolbox. They are ideal for both indoor and outdoor woodworking projects, supporting all skill levels. What we like. This set includes 2 Japanese pull saws, one for flush cuts and a double-edged Ryoba saw, both with premium SK5 steel blades and comfortable wooden handles. If you're a DIY enthusiast or professional carpenter looking for precision tools for fine woodworking, furniture making, or detailed trim work, this set offers versatility and control for various projects. What people say. The saw is very sharp and cuts through wood easily. The handle is comfortable to grip and provides good control. It's a lightweight saw, making it easy to maneuver. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.